All right, this is the Jeep Wrangler. I'm just gonna take it for a test drive. I'm just gonna crank it up, put it in reverse, and I'm just gonna go out this way. And then I'm put it back into drive. Oh, it drives kind of smoothly. All right. Gonna take this. Just working out here. Okay, got somebody in front of me. So I like the Jeep Wrangler. Okay, so this is it right here. Steering, I'm like really high off the ground, so I have like good clearance, able to see like a lot of things. Get up out of here. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and drive out. Oh man, I have a great view of everything. I'm so high up off the ground. Just gonna drive out this way. Got it in drive. Just gonna cruise around the block like a little bit, you know, just so I can get a feel of this vehicle. It's a nice vehicle. It's really meant for like off-roading, you know, going through snow, which I mean you could definitely feel like while you're driving the vehicle. You can feel that it does well on, you know, the common day street, but it actually, you know, would really do well, you know, in the grass or in the mud or something like that, where I can use the 4x4. Currently I just have it in the 2x2 drive, or the two-wheel drive. I mean, that's all I need it for like right now. So I'm just gonna drive around like that and just cruising around. It's a nice summer day, you know, people coming. Look at the Maserati, look at the Ford. I don't know what they're doing. I'm just gonna drive around the block. Everyone seems to be noticing me in my Jeep Wrangler. Maybe they're jealous or something. I mean, if I were them, I'd want to be me too. Just gonna cruise around. See, they're all hating. They want to be me. I can't blame them. I mean, the Jeep Wrangler's a great car, great vehicle. If I were them, I would definitely want to be me, hands down. You know, great. All right, so I'm just gonna swing back around. Just gonna go right up here, and I'm just gonna turn around a little bit. Stop right there. Look at the turning radius. I mean, I'm quite impressed. You know, a vehicle this high, I'm really grateful that, you know, the turning radius is great to where I can make sharp turns just like that to turn around. The feel of it's not too rigid, you know, I have like a little bit of leeway. Wrangler's like, here we go, got some traffic coming. I'm gonna test the braking system really quick, okay? And slow down. Whoa, very responsive. Look at some of the features of it. I mean, it's just like the doors come off, the roof comes off. It's not super sunny out today, so I'm not gonna take that off. I'm just gonna go around this vehicle. Someone took my parking spot, so I guess I have to keep on strolling. Even though lady's like looking, she's older lady, not old lady, older. She wishes she had a Jeep Wrangler. Just gonna cruise around, wave to everybody. Wow, you know what? I'm thinking about just getting in the grass and just driving on the grass, just so I can see how this beast of a machine maneuvers under the terrain that it was built to ride in. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna go ahead and park it. And that's the test drive of the Jeep Wrangler. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.